This is Storm Team 8.
Now, one of the reasons I love Michigan is the wild weather, and it was quite a wild week out there. Temperatures ranged all over the place. We had record warm temperatures last week, all the way up to 58 degrees here in Grand Rapids. Actually broke 60 in the Howland area. And then the Arctic air came pouring in, 11-degree temperature. That's how cold we got here in Grand Rapids, with wind chill temperatures below zero, and that happened about in a 36-hour time frame. And we're looking at record rainfall amounts as well, over 2 inches, and within that same week, we're over 14 inches of snow here in Grand Rapids, and believe it or not, that's the most snow we've had in a week. That actually beats the first 53 days of winter. Completely remarkable. Here we go. Once again, we're going to get a little bit of a break right now, but Storm Track Live radar showing the next batch of precipitation. I shouldn't say precipitation. This is all snow, and it's fairly light snow at the present time. But once again, as these clipper systems move across Lake Michigan or the Great Lakes, they pick up a little extra moisture. So we'll see a little more enhanced snowfall. Tracking this area of snow into West Michigan, we're looking at a time frame, I would say sometime right around 3 to 4 o'clock tonight before we first start to see some of that snow move into the lakeshore areas, so about 4 to 4.5 hours away there. And US 131, give it about 5 to 5.5 hours before it reaches Kalamazoo, Grand Rapids area. And most of the reports upstream, as this light snow moved across the north central plain, have been about 1 to 2 inches. Our snow forecast for West Michigan: Grand Rapids up to Big Rapids, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, for instance, about 1 to 2 inches out of this. And as you get closer to Lake Shore, about 2 to 4, maybe some isolated amounts right around 5 inches. As you head into further east, amounts about 1 inch or less expected in most areas, but enough that the National Weather Service has put out a lake effect snow advisory beginning at 1 o'clock tonight until 1 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. I think the heaviest of this light snow will occur during the morning hours, right when Lower Velasquez hits air. You may want to take a look at the latest radar images to see where the heavier snow is falling. Pretty cold out there right now, all the way down to 4 at Big Rapids, 7 in Grand Rapids. We had a few breaks in the cloud this evening, especially with that fresh snowpack. It's made things pretty cold out there, but these temperatures, as the clouds move into this next system, will actually go up a little bit, I think, by daybreak. So by daybreak, we're looking at most readings between 10 to 15 degrees out there. Notice how the snow starts expanding on the 24-hour forecast, and during the noon hour you can see some of the heavier amounts right around the Grand Haven area, Holland, right towards Kalamazoo. Temperatures right around 17 degrees, so another cold day. By 6 o'clock, most of the snow will have come to an end. Just a few light lake effect snow showers southwest of Grand Rapids at that time frame, but the wind picks up, so we'll see a little bit of blowing snow out there. And I know a lot of people heading to those Super Bowl parties, so I think we're going to see a little more blowing snow tomorrow than what we had today with all that fresh snow. 8-day forecast, we start out cold. Monday, another clipper system. Looks like most of that one will miss us to the south, about 1 to 4 inches on Tuesday at least. Break on Wednesday, more snow heading our way for Thursday.